Would you like to invest into an emerging market that is lucrative and pandemic proof? By the end of this episode, you will have the what, the why, the how, and the where to go to invest into digital real estate. For handy personal finance tips and useful information, hit the bell to be notified for our latest episodes. I'm Dwayne, the finance strategist who has built an economic base from a grassroots level. My aim is to share my knowledge so you guys can prosper and build wealth. What is digital real estate? Digital real estate is property that you own that lives on the internet. That could be a website, a domain name, an audio book, an ebook, a podcast, an app, an online course, an e-commerce site. A good example of an e-commerce site would be Amazon. So why should digital real estate be considered as an investment vehicle? Because the barriers of entry has been reduced due to technology. The startup and maintenance cost is a lot less than the conventional property market. You can buy an existing website, generate cash flow with lower overheads than your regular brick and mortar business. For example, over here in the UK, an e-commerce site by the name of Boohoo recently bought the brand and the website of a high street retailer by the name of Debenhams for a reported 55 million. The rise in online sales due to the pandemic is a prime example of the power of digital real estate. Amazon is another prime example of the power of digital real estate. It reduces operating costs, expands profits for the business owner, and that's the power of digital real estate. Do you believe that online sales is the future of the global economy? Put your answers in the comments below. So how do I earn money from investing in digital real estate? You can buy and sell domain names the same way that you buy and sell property. A domain name can cost anywhere from £3 to £5 with the potential for you to go and sell it on for thousands. Bear it in mind though that you got your website running costs such as your website hosting, which can cost anywhere from £3 to £10 a month. You got your yearly registration, which could be £1 to £20, and that's because the websites offer a discount for the first year and then usually increase the price from the second year onwards. As an option, many domain name registrars will allow you to register your domain name for 10 years at a time. The buying and selling of domain names is big business. For example, the Tesla.com domain name was priced at 11 million at one time. So what other ways can you monetize digital real estate? You can sell advertising space on your website. You can sign up for the Google AdSense program. You can sell digital products. You can sell physical products. You can publish sponsored posts and charge extra for writing the content, or even better, you can outsource the writing. Also, you can sign up for an affiliate marketing program. You can sign up for a content monetization platform such as Skimlinks, which is a service that converts your links into an affiliate link which plugs into their database, which has access to over 24,000 merchant affiliate programs. So instead of you seeking out affiliate programs, they do it. Identifying the main moneymaker when buying a piece of digital real estate. When searching to buy an existing website, you can find its main source of revenue displayed under the category of monetization. For example, a website for sale will have a monetization section on the sales page, and under that will have the type of monetization it is. For example, that could be subscriptions, that could be drop shipping. If it doesn't state the type of monetization, it will state the word other. In that case, what you do is set up an account on the website or contact the seller directly. You can check and verify the analytics of a website by using sites such as SEMrush or SimilarWeb. You can also check the financials of a website by requesting audited financial statements signed off by a chartered certified accountant. Also, you can get the seller's notes and get your accountant to cross-reference and verify any discrepancies. The same way you're looking to check the financials of any business you're looking to invest into is the same thing and the same process that you do with digital real estate. So where do I go to buy digital real estate? If you're looking to buy an existing website, the main website broker is flipper.com. You've also got a website called websitebrokers.co.uk. These websites operate similar to websites that buy and sell businesses, such as daltonsbusiness.com. Now that you have another investment option to look into, why not check out my previous episode in my Investment 101 series? Also check out my Budgeting and Credit Card 101 series. If you found this episode helpful, click the like button, comment and subscribe.